Why this is a scam? Lie. Connecting Canva to ChatGPT does not print money. Canva is a design tool and ChatGPT is a text generator. Neither platform magically sells your products for you. All this connection does is help you generate graphics faster. It does not create sales, marketing, or revenue. Digital products don't auto-sell. You can create templates, PDFs, or planners, but you need a sales platform, Etsy, Gumroad, Stand Store, etc. You need marketing and traffic, ads, SEO, social media. Without this, you won't sell even $1, let alone $98,000. The $98,000 proof is always fake or misleading. Scam influencers usually show photoshopped dashboards or use stock screenshots from Etsy or Shopify. They never show taxes, fees, or bank deposits. GPT Explorer is not equal to business model. Click GPT Explorer is just hype speak. It doesn't guarantee good products. Even if AI generates designs, they're often generic and oversaturated in marketplaces, like planners, journals, and templates that already exist by the thousands. Made in 2 months is bait. Real sellers take months or years to build audiences and reach consistent sales. If someone really had a $98,000 a month system, they wouldn't be giving it away for free. They'd quietly keep scaling it.